Good morning, students. Hope you all are good. So, today we are going to start with the new lesson of your Sunflower book, that is, lesson number 12, Jal, the little drop. Jal is a bright and shiny drop of water. He wants a change, but in the end, he realizes that a change without any reason is harmful. Students, please note, we are using he and she for Jal, ear, fish because these all are the characters. Okay? So now before starting the story, I want to introduce some characters. The first is Jal, second Sir Sun, third Miss Ear, fourth Auntie River, fifth Master Mountain, and sixth Wise Fish. So here, Jal starts with this, that I am a Jal, the little drop of water, free to flow anywhere, free to change shape and form, from gas to liquid, liquid to solid, and again liquid, solid, and gas. I am sure many of you would love to be in my shoes, but I am fed up. I am fed up of being Jal, the little drop, fed up of going through the same water cycle again and again. And now, I am fed up of being made of the same old gases, hydrogen and oxygen. I certainly need to change. But who will help me? I know who. I'm sure she will solve my problem. And after saying this, he went to Miss Ear and said, Miss Ear, I am sorry to disturb you, but I have a problem. Miss Ear said, You have a problem? That's why maybe you are in such a hurry. Now tell me your problem. Then Jal said that I am fed up of being Jal, the little drop of hydrogen and oxygen that has been going through the water cycle for years and years. I am bored, I am fed up. Tell me a way to change myself. Miss Ear said, Change? Fed up? Bored? Jal, these words should not be a part of your vocabulary. Do you realize change for the sake of change can be harmful? Just sit for a while and think. But Jal was not ready. He was tired of thinking and he just don't want to think anymore. He went away from there in huff. Huff means anger. Then he went to meet Sir Sun and said, Sir Sun, please help me find a solution for my problem. Sir Sun said, Sure, I'll try my best, but I can't find a solution till I hear your problem. Jal said, Oh, how foolish of me. You see, I'm bored, I'm fed up of being Jal, the little drop of hydrogen and oxygen. But now I want a change. Sir Sun said, Stop, my head is in a whirl. I want to ask you a question. Why do you want a change? Do you have any discomfort? Jal replied, No, not at all. But I am certain that I want a change. Sir Sun said, Now look at me, or at Miss Ear, Master Mountain, or Auntie River. We haven't changed for many years. If any of us were to change, everything in the world would be in chaos. Chaos means problem. But Jal was not ready to hear anything. After this, he went to Master Mountain. So now, Master Mountain said, So it's you, Jal. What brings you here? Jal said, I am tired, I am bored, and I am fed up. I want a change. Again the same dialogues. Mountain said, What? Change? Why? Then Jal replied, Please stop shouting and scolding me. Mountain said, I have every right to do so. You see, you have been created by my great-great-grandfather, Grandmaster Volcano. It was he who threw out gases and dust that formed not only you, but also your companion Air. Then Jal said in excitement, Then you are the person who can help me. Please change me. But the same answer, Mountain said, Jal, I think you must think over your problem. You are the life giver. All living things will die without you. Don't you realize? You make up the streams, rivers, lakes, wells, and all other sources of water. Everyone loves you the way you are. But Jal replied and said, same old story. After hearing the same answer, he went to Auntie River and said, here I go again, Auntie River. I'm bored. I'm fed up of being myself. I want a change, but there is nobody who understands my problem. Auntie River replied, I think you need to talk to Wise Fish who lives in the deep water. I'll take you to her. And then Auntie River and Jal went to meet Wise Fish. And again the same dialogue. The Wise Fish replied, well, I have visitors today. Then, how can I help you? River said, Wise Fish, we have a problem. This little boy Jal wants a change. Wise Fish said, that's funny, you want a change, but I think you are already changing. After listening this, Jal was very excited and he said, is it true? I'm changing? Hooray! That's good news. But Wise Fish said, don't be too happy. And just think, it is really sad, Jal, that you want a change just for the sake of change, be it good or bad. The change that I have seen in you is going to harm you and all the living things dependent on you. This change is making you polluted. Then Jal replied, polluted? What does that mean? Wise Fish said, it means that you are becoming dirty. Jal replied, really? But I need to know how this pollution is happening. I also want to know who is doing this. Fish said, you see, humans have built factories that throw out chemicals into rivers and streams. Humans also dump sewage into many sources of water. This is making you polluted. Jal said, this is not a good news. I do want a change, but not a change that is harmful for me and others. I must find out more about this change called pollution. Then what happened? Jal went to the city, and what he saw there? In the city, he said, I'm in a city, but what is this? Why am I feeling heavy and tired? I even smell. My color has also changed. I'm not as clear as before. I find it difficult to breathe. How did this happen? Can you tell me? I know I should guess. There stand the culprits. Factories. Look how they are throwing out chemicals into the river. I think this is what they call pollution. Oh, what a dreadful sight. I must rush out from this city. Then at last, Jal said, I am back again to ask for a change, but with a little difference. I want this change to make things better and I need your help. Let's join our hands, students, and today we'll try to bring about a change for a cleaner environment. But wait. Now here, Jal was asking something. Who do you think the real culprits? The factories that throw chemicals into the river, or humans who build these factories without making arrangements for disposing of the waste generated by them? So according to you, who are the culprits? Of course, the culprits are the human beings. Okay? Because we are changing the environment. We are making this environment polluted, which is harmful for all the living organisms. So now, listen this video twice so that you are able to understand this lesson, and then do your necessary work in your fair notebooks. Thank you and have a nice day.